Don't forget, if you like art and you want to show it, pick up a Halloween drawing sticker. These are only going to be around till October 31st, 2022. And then after that, I'm going to take them away forever. So pick one up before then. I put these on water bottles. I put these on, on my laptop. I put them all over the place. But definitely pick one up if you like showing your spirit. Anyways, let's get back.
Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a cat looking out into a graveyard, okay? It's going to be a cute cat looking out into the graveyard. I think it's cool, so let's do it. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to draw first off the cat, right? So I'm going to go over here. By the way, stay to the very end. This is going to be really, I think it's going to be super easy. So, curve over here for the top of the head. Going to go over here now. I'm going to pull out for the ear. Over here on this side now. Pull out for the ear. Now I'm going to pull down for down the ear, the side of the head. Go over here on this side, down here, side of the head. Downward here. Okay. Gonna pull down here for the back. Just a little, right there, right? Outward here. And we're gonna have the tail coming around here. Curve up. Curve around this point. And pull across. Downward. Right on. So you have your cat shape, right? Very simple cat shape. And you could be looking out into the graveyard. So I'm going to pull a line over here. Let's pull a line across for maybe like a hill. Excuse me, sneezing. Dang, sorry about that, guys. I'm going to go over here. And let's just say we have like some ground right there, pretty much. Some ground over here, and let's continue some more ground. All right, some wiggly ground up to, like, let's say a hill. Let's say like there's some sort of mansion on a hill or something. The hill over there. Cool. So I'm representing the land in that way, kind of a rocky format. And I'm going to go over here now, and I'm going to pull a line up. Or I'm going to pull a line down, down. Basically a square on that top of that hill. And I'm going to draw another square on the edges of that. Just kind of make it simple house there format, kind of. Line over here. And now we're going to draw a gate right there. And now we're going to fill it out. There you go. And at the very top, I'm going to draw lines at the top. It's like a structure, like a fort-like structure. Alright, we got a little castle on top of the hill there. Cat is looking out there and he's like, what is going on? What am I dreaming of? Stuff like that. So let's add to our little, Halloween environment. So over here I'm going to draw a fence. So see these lines? They're just going to be sticking out of this layer. Maybe along here as well. And I'm gonna throw a line across that, so it looks like a fence. Alright, you can do the same thing a couple other places. You could, let's do a little road over here coming down from the mountain right there. Cool. Let's go over here and give them, so we'll be in the sky, like the moon, right? So we're gonna draw a moon over here. Line over here for maybe some cloud. And another cloud over here, maybe in the back. Maybe this really large looming cloud that kind of goes through this because you want it to kind of unify the image, right? So it's cool because we're just kind of adding to our little scene here. Let's go over here on this side. I'm gonna draw a curve. We're gonna have like a pumpkin down here, right? So I'm gonna curve in like so. A stem over here. Line. Right there for the eyes. Triangle there for the nose. Zigzag over here for the mouth. Alright, so now we have our little pumpkin there, basically. If you want, we can draw another one back here, or over here. Well, let me think. I think I'd rather have like a tree down here. Right? Again, we're kind of making this up as we go along, and that's the fun part. So let's draw like a one of those, see, like those goofy trees that, well, you know what I mean? Those trees that are like screwed up. Looks like a hand. Let's do another one over here as well. And you can just keep placing stuff as you feel comfortable, right? Hopefully I give you a little bit of the ideas of, like, you know, some simple shapes to put, like trees, the fence. You can add like as much as you want, honestly. You can like go over here and let's say add like a gravestone here. It's like a simple gravestone. Down. There's so much you can do, and that's kind of the cool part about Halloween. There's a lot of cool elements that you can take from it. Like, let's draw like a little bat over here. There we go. Bats in that scene. But anyways, that's the scene, by the way. Don't forget, by the way, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. I'm going to be posting all Halloween. So the Halloween season is the big part of this, so absolutely, you know, please follow. It's fun to do that. But yeah. Anyways, thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video, okay? But that was our little scene there. Talk to you soon, and don't forget to reach out. I reply to everybody. I'm very active, and go pick up a sticker, okay? Like, the stickers are literally only for this year, so go pick up a sticker, and that's it. Talk to you next time, and I'll see you very soon. See ya. Oh, stay spooky, by the way.